All right, it's a pleasure having you in our channel once again. As you can see right here, we want to help one of our clients to set up this mini pond. This is a mobile pond. You can see we have the juvenile she bought from us, and they are actually doing so well. But we need to move them from this chemical pond, this plastic tank, to this place. So I want to help some of you to get some things clear. This particular pond is being fortified with metal. You can equally use wood. You can equally use wood to fortify your pond. You can use wood. Personally, I prefer making use of wood, but just that this one, she wants metal, so it can be movable. Because when you use wood, it will be fixed. So what I want to do right now, we have fixed the outlet of the pond. I want to fix an overflow, and the purpose of the overflow is peradventure you are pumping in water and there's nobody here, and maybe you slept off. Instead of the pond to get filled to the brim, the overflow can help to release the excess water. So I will encourage you to watch how I'm going to get this done smartly to give this farm. This is a little farm anyway, but it's growing. So let me get the work done right now. What I'm doing, I've said the purpose of the overflow from the name is why pumping in water and nobody is there. Okay, I need to cut it again. Like this. So this overflow is very much important. We are doing this not just from experience, but let me share the tragic experience we had last year. We didn't do it in the pond and we lost over 20,000 fish. When I mean 20,000 fish, I'm not talking about the big one. So our fish overflow. We actually failed. The guy working at night failed to turn off the sumo, and when NEPA brought light, the pond was filled to the brim, and the juveniles were flowing away. And before they wake up, a lot have gone. So it's important you have your. And I've seen a lot of pond that gets collapsed because of they don't have this simple overflow. So if your pond is big, you can have 2 or 3. But because of the size of this pond, this is 6 by 10, and we are using this pond to raise 500 to 700 fish. So as we raise them, we have some other supporting tanks that will be used to sort the fish. All right, I believe you are enjoying this view. So that's not the end. Give me the stone. So this business, you must not wait for plumbers to get all the job done. At times you have to have your working tools and you do the work yourself. The cap. So now let me explain because I came to assist my client to get this job done. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to perforate here with nail or any piercing object. You put it to heat it up. Once it's hot, you make holes around this place. So after making the hole, you put it here like this. Can you see what I just did? So it's going to be like this. So when the moment water reach here peradventure, the water will now be flowing out of this place. So it will not affect the strength of the pond. So I want to we are actually making use of 1-inch pipe. So want to make 2 outlets. Want to prepare 2 outlets for this pond. 2 outlets, and the purpose is to speed up the discharge of water. So enjoy this show very well. All right, viewers, I believe you're enjoying this live show. So we actually have 2 outlets here. We are not done with the work, and we have our overflow here. Okay, so these are basic things you have to do. Then one other thing that is important that we need to do here is to get a screaming net to scream the pond, and the reason is because of birds, predators attack that normally come to pick up fish here, which is not good. because when you allow birds to be picking your fish, to be reducing your money and the value. So I will end up not making your expected profit. So very soon we're going to be done with the fund, and we are inspiring others who are yet to invest in this business. The business is actually profitable. It's not profitable, I will not ask you to do it. Okay, so there's money in the business once you get it done rightly. When you do it, you make money. Let us promote agriculture. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, you can just do that right now. Just click on the button. And if you're not be liking our video and wonder what you're doing, just like and comment. Appreciate us. Share the video with your friends to inspire them. You may not know that sharing this thing might save somebody from poverty. Okay, so thank you. As soon as I'm done, I'm going to show you. So let me finish my work now. All right, so we are done fixing our outlet, and this is our overflow. So this particular one here, we're going to perforate it. We're going to perforate it. So perforating, we'll fix it inside. One, it is going to help to prevent the fish from, you know, going out while water and debris goes out. Then one thing I want you to learn that I love about this work, you can see we have this plantain tree here. So it's always good for you to site a fish pond in a place that is shady. They love that place, and as you can see, there's a little restriction here. So fish don't actually like noise. So I want to say thank you for watching this little work. Every big thing you see starts small. So the owner of this farm actually want to do something big, but decided to start small. So I want to say thank you for following. Thank you so much for following. So this comes to the end of this particular exercise. I love you. Cheers.